Pandemics have led us to change the way we work, to shift the workplace to agile and hybrids. And it also leads us to reconsider what is the future office going to be.
We had similar problems you guys did, right? But we were able to invest in technology. We tried a lot of things. Return to work, don't return to work, get a COVID shot, manage this, right? Many things didn't work.
Buzzword of these days, it's digital transformation. Everyone is speaking about it, but no one really knows what it is. So what we are talking about is, we are talking about a strategy. Digital transformation is a strategy.
It is really very important to look for a solution, whether it's e-signature solution or any technology, to be more people-focused. Because when we invest for the technology, we wanted to make sure that we are successful. We are investing, we're putting investment in the technology that we wanted also to put some success metrics.
People go back to work first for collaboration. We go back for project meeting with the customers. But no doubt, we also talk about people going back to the office, but remotely we can get things done. Genuinely, it has optimized my day when I've done conferencing.
But I think by and large also it comes back to how they are empowered, whether they have the right devices and the right tools for them to work and communicate effectively, whether is it remotely or whether is it in the office.
Right, so it's not about trying to replace the talents. I think right now all of us are embracing the mindset which is we want to keep talents, right? We want to keep our resources. We are not trying to fire. Maybe we are not hiring fast enough, but it's about trying to see how we can become more productive.